Everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to the Louisville Farm Show. In Louisville, Kentucky. I can't think what it's called now. Anyway, the biggest farm show in the US. So we're gonna go there. We have some bunch of stuff, tools, snacks, steel wheels to go to one of our relatives that live out in Kentucky. So that's National Farm Machinery Show. National Farm Machinery Show is what it's called. So we're going to that this year. We're gonna have some fun while we're there. Maybe we're gonna get hats. That's for sure. I know that for a fact. But we're just gonna enjoy our time. We have, I think, maybe an 18-hour drive. I'm not sure. Maybe not quite that long. Not sure exactly how long it is. But we're leaving. This is Tuesday. We're gonna be there Wednesday. We'll leave here Tuesday. We'll leave here tonight. Hopefully about an hour or two. Be there Wednesday. Get to the farm show Wednesday, because then our Airbnb won't be ready till Wednesday afternoon, like 3 o'clock. So here we have a little bit of dusting here in PA. It's nothing too great, but there is an absolute crazy amount of ice below this. Like stuff where the one spot we couldn't even drive tractor or skid loader barely. But here you can see some of the ice. But yeah, like over here on this concrete, you can kind of see the difference. That's ice. That's actually concrete, but that's concrete. What a surprise. But yeah, there's still a really good amount of ice like here. You'll run and slide. Turn the barn lights off. Go find Mia, because she's starting to fight with her puppies. So we're gonna put her in a different pen. And then once they do the chores, we'll put her with the puppies again. Is she in here? There she is. Hi, Mia. There are little puppies. But there's a cat. Great. We're gonna be dealing with cats again. And here are the little puppies. You happy, Mia? Lacey, be quiet, please. Mia, down. Good puppies. Alright, come Mia. I think I'll put her in with another dog if she follows me. Come Mia. I'm gonna let her in with the puppies for a few minutes. She does not want, she refuses to come with me. So I'm gonna let her in with the puppies for a bit. And then I'm gonna stay out here for a bit. There's one puppy. Hold on. I'm gonna let him breathe a bit. Lacey, be quiet, please. I'll help you. Just tangled up again. Come in here, just double check everything, make sure everything's fine. And I have me out of the puppy pen now. Now we're gonna go put her with Joy. And lights off. There she comes. Hi. Good girl. Okay, come. Good girl. Alright, well I have her with Joy, so now we're gonna go finish putting her bed.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
Our Airbnb now. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Bedroom here. Beautiful. Massive TV. This is the basement. It's actually pretty nice. Here, desk, laundry. What's the switch for this here? This. See, there's more stuff in here. It's pretty nice actually. Just shut this door because you don't need that right now. Closet. Yep, store some stuff in there. Desk, more couch, toys. Magnetic dartboard. See if I can hit anything. Not good, not bad. But that's the downstairs. You know I'll probably be sleeping down here. Got some paintings. But I'm gonna go upstairs. We're here at the National Farmer National show now. We're gonna go in here and explore this 1.2 million square foot building somehow. Here we have a Kubota M7 It's pretty nice inside here. Got a steering wheel. Really nice actually. Wheels turn a bit and everything. Everything there. Here in a few minutes, TYM's gonna show off 3 new tractors over there.
2025, thank you for stopping by this morning. We have some exciting news, some new products that we went out and unveiled this morning. And we've got some of our dealers here that I want to take. 3, 2, 1. So thanks again for coming out. Please feel free to obviously come and ask questions.
So here Massey has a 2-bill baler with 2 bills at once. These guys should be drill balls. Fasten that step gun down to help you up in. You know, 2 things in common, or two vehicle brands have very related things. Lamborghini started out making tractors, and the owner of Lamborghini bought a Ferrari and went to the owner of Ferrari and told him, hey, your clutches are junk. How about Lamborghini and Ferrari come together and we make a great car with good clutch. Basically, Ferrari had almost everything else down pat. Here at the farm show, a Ferrari tractor.
Someone switched things out.
So now their heads are in Farming Simulator 25, newest farming simulator created by Giant Software. You're going off the track.
I know, I don't use GPS in real life either, so it's gonna show, buddy.
That's true.
Not sure how this works.
It's pretty clean actually. Yeah, I think Coyote was the coolest mascot ever. That took somebody weeks and most likely months on end to build this. So we have a Kinsey planter here, and Dad just says like when we go on to more or less tough stuff to gravity doing its own work. Now we have vacuum. It vacuums the seed down through one of these hoses, this hose, and into this guy here. And then it vacuums it all the way through there and out into the ground. Then once it goes to the vacuum lines, gravity does its thing. We have Mahindra over there, but we also have claws right here. Massive claws. Exxon 12650. We have a claws, whatever this is. Massive combine. Good and big. I wonder why they left that empty. I'm not sure exactly why they left that empty. It's a nice size combine. I made it the claws combine. It's pretty nice. You can actually see your hopper pretty good. And here you have all your controls right here. Everything's here. You got radio, 4 ways. Steering wheel comes down. They actually have made a spot you can rest your feet on. And most combines do that. And this is actually nice. The ground and everything. That's very comfortable in my hand. It's nice and easy to move. And what else they got here? Phone holder or walkie-talkie holder. Hey, probably walkie-talkie because how small it is. 2 screens, 2 cup holders. This is nice actually. This is really nice. You can charge stuff. Charge GoPro here, phone, whatever. There's the ignition. You can even charge more stuff right here. I don't know what this is. This is, okay, that's OBD port. Check for problems and everything. Well, I somehow pulled it off. I'm in the claws tractor. This thing's big.
I need my phone as well.
Anyways, this thing is absolutely massive. Seat swivels, that's nice. You got motorcycle foot pegs you can rest your feet on. Depends how long you are, you will touch the glass, but I'm not tall enough, and I actually got really some nice room here. It does swivel, but you cannot see your hitch at all. You got two screens right there, and then in case you need an extra one, you got phone screen right there, somehow like that. See how well this is. That's actually pretty secure up there. Then you have this, all your controls here. Tracks all the way around this, so it's like 5 or 6 feet wide. Yeah, I want to buy it. I do, but it would cost like 600,000 or more. Tracks all around. It articulates in the middle too, which makes it even more expensive. One of the things I was not expecting, a 2025 Stingray Corvette. Nice interior. Nice red interior. It's raffle, $10. Very nice car. Here's another big machine of the night. Never seen this before. We're gonna hop in the cab here. Show you guys the up view. That's what it is. Feed mixer. Self-propelled feed mixer. And here's the inside.
That's a lot of electronics.
No kidding, that's electronics. Believe it or not, we made it back to the Deutz again. I still can't get over how nice some of these tractors are. And everything here is nice. I mean, this thing, they still go by what it is. It has 280 horsepower, so 80-20-80. 80-20-80, yeah. Why is that on? Actually, there's a key in here. And I don't know where the key goes, so whatever. Anyways, it's a nice tractor and everything. Will the lights work? Was not expecting that to work. But overall, it's a really nice tractor inside here. That auger alone could hold all our corn. It's massive. Build the shed that you want. We just put a door in and stuff. High walls, roof, side, high things inside the shed. Really? Here's the size of one of these feed discs. Tires taller than my waist. Oh, I'm bent now.
Look at them weights.
I'm sitting in one of these vents with 2 tracks. Seat swivels, that's probably the nicest thing. Have volume here for your radio, I guess. Yeah. Very different steering wheel. I've never seen a steering wheel like this before in my life. Oh, keys in. Let's start it. No, I'm kidding. You can actually see pretty good. You cannot see your seat. Cannot see your hitch. You can't see the 3-point arms. Here's all the controls. Lock. So it should lock into place. None of them do though. RPMs. Just messing with stuff. I feel like it. That's for your hydraulic. And your 3-point arms. This is for, I would guess, your shifter. I don't know. I'm not tractor and then put your steering wheel down. Oh, I didn't even see all these. Thought maybe 4-ways would work, but they don't.
Right here.
The armrests half nice. Hood's also bigger than ever. A massive over there. They revealed a baler yesterday, twin baler, and a new Massey. Small new Massey. I'm guessing clutch, brake. For some reason that's together. Or then they're both just brakes. Could be both. I don't know. Horn don't work. Oh man. It's a nice tractor. On this vent here, hood doesn't open. You're probably hiding the major mess they made in there. Got a black Massey 6S, Massey Ferguson and fence stand. Here they have a Massey 8S hooked up to a Massey Ferguson planter. Stacy of Walnut, that's how the cornstalk roots look like. No idea how they pulled that off.
He does not know. Okay. Okay. So why aren't you doing the dairy? You split off, or what happened there?
I'm here with Millennial Farmer. What's the best advice you have as a YouTuber starting out farming?
So I would say the best advice for starting out as a farming YouTuber would be that you don't need to overcomplicate anything. You don't need super fancy equipment or like, you know, high fancy editing. Just create the video, do whatever your style is, like be who you are and show what you want to show and just create the content you want to create, and you don't have to get over fancy with it. Just have fun with it.
Thank you. Here at Case IH, all kind of the same thing. Gravity does the work mostly. Massive case tractor there. Another one you see there. I don't really know anything about Case, but I kind of like how they look. Those tractor pulls every night here. Got a Massey 8480 pulling tractor. Really nice tractor. Nice, pretty. Got a bunch more tractors in the pits here. Some trucks over there. Nice, lot nice route. Looks like a mini, whatever. Not all those down here, man. Ico yet. So we have one with 4 engines, 3 engines, 3 engine, 3 engine, and then 1 engine. There's another Massey 2805. I just brought another tractor in.
There's a card one. Cars.
Man, wouldn't this be fun to ride? Just like once in a entire life. Not even pull it, just drive it. But I mean, I would be afraid these little things would give out. That's your steering. Terrified that it would break. Like that's so loose. I wouldn't trust that at all. Again, they leave a spot empty. I don't know why they keep doing that. If they would, they could put. If they want and leave it empty, they could put more Masseys in there. But I guess they just don't like Massey enough. So I'm over here by the trucks, and these things look nice and everything. Yeah, it's fun to drive, you know. So you realize one wrong step when your foot's going by the drive shaft. There's an airport near here, and there goes a plane up there. Just took off. Very low. Now we're leaving, walking up to the truck.
What do you need?
Well, there's a third farming simulator 25 set up. Here it's the third day, last day. We're gonna be here full day, last full day. No, we won't be here for a full day. Here at TYM, they unveiled this tractor. First day, middle tractor, and then that tractor. With all those, they're right here close to New Holland. In case you ever wondered how the inside of a combine looks. Never seen this part of it before. Really have one auger going out. It's pretty high. Here's a Massey Ferguson 2M60. I think this is with the newest cab here. Got bucket and everything. Yeah. No, but it's actually kind of has nice. I can't even speak. It's kind of half, but nice. Have to block sun here. A little bit of sun. You got lights. And horn. It's dead though, so. Or it's not running. Keys on. But it's a pretty nice tractor overall. One thing I don't like about it is this glass. There's no bottom piece. It's just pure glass. I would be afraid I would break it. It's kind of loose too. Not bad overall though. That's just simple.